In this particular video, I am going to discuss about linear differential equations with variable coefficients. Earlier, we would have seen only the constant coefficients. In this particular variable coefficients type, we are having two categories. The one is Cauchy's homogeneous linear equation. The another one is Legendre's linear equation. So in this particular video, I am going to concentrate only alone Cauchy's homogeneous linear equation. So first of all, what is the difference between constant and variable coefficient equations? Linear differential equation with constant coefficient means each and every derivative term containing only the constant coefficients. Look at this. Here, nth derivative containing n power x power n, nth order variable coefficient, and here also n power n d power n minus 1 is the derivative order. Here also variable power is n minus 1. Likewise, we are having the variable coefficient means this comes under the linear differential equations with variable coefficients. These things we must want to know. So first, we are going to discuss about Cauchy's homogeneous linear differential equation. This particular equation general form is x power n into d power 1 ny by dx power n plus a1 into x power n minus 1 into d power n minus 1 y by dx power n minus 1 plus etc. plus an into y is equal to some function of x. Here a1, a2, etc. an, these are all constants, and f of x is a function of x. So which is called a linear differential equation with variable coefficient. For converting this into constant coefficients, I am going to use some substitutions. So first, I need to convert the variable coefficient equation into constant coefficient type. For that, I am going to take the substitution x is equal to e power z, and while I am taking logarithmic on both sides, it will become z equal to log x. I may rewrite dy by dx is equal to dy by dz into dz by dx, because I am taking the substitution x in terms of z. That's why I am inclining z here. dz by dx. From this z, I can able to find out the derivative with respect to x. So dy by dz equal to log x value 1 by x. After replacing in the previous equation, it will become dy by dx is equal to 1 by x into dy by dz. Let us move this 1 by x into left hand side. It will reflect like x into dy by dx is equal to dy by dz. So therefore, for differentiating, capital D is d by dx, and then here I am taking this derivative d by dz as d dash. For differentiating purpose, I am taking here d dash. So d dash means derivative with respect to z. In some author, they may use theta also in place of d dash. So likewise, let us move on to the second derivative, d square y by dx square. This is nothing but dy by dx with respect to x differentiation value. So after simplifying like the previous, I will get x square into d square y by dx square value is d dash into d dash minus 1 into y. Likewise, move on to the third category, we will get x square into d cube y by dx cube become d dash into d dash minus 1 into d dash minus 2 into y. Simply, we would have taken x into capital D is equal to d dash, because I can able to cancel out this y. Simply, I would have taken the replacement x into capital D is equal to d dash, because we know very well d by dx is d. X into d is equal to d dash. X square into d square is equal to d dash into d dash minus 1. Likewise, x cube into d cube is equal to d dash into d dash minus 1 into d dash minus 2. These are all the replacements. I am going to use the problem. Let us move on to the first problem. Solve x square d square plus 3xd plus 1 into y is equal to sine of log x by x square. Here I am having the derivative coefficient is variable. So I want to convert that into constant coefficient. Then only we can able to find the general solution by using the standard types. Okay. First, I'm going to use the substitution x is equal to e power z, While I'm taking logarithmic, I will get z equal to log x. As well as we know the substitutions x into d is equal to d dash. X square into d square is equal to d dash into d dash minus 1, because I'm having only up to the second derivative. Here d dash is d by dz. I'm going to use these substitutions into the given problem. So x square d square d dash into d dash minus 1 plus 3 into xd d dash plus 1 into y is equal to sin z. Log x value is z. X is e power z. E power z, the whole square become e power 2z. I'm just moving the denominator into numerator or hs side. And let us multiply d dash into d dash minus 1 and simplify this whole thing. This simplificative value is d dash square plus 2d dash plus 1 into y is equal to e power minus 2z into sin z. This looks like, of course, linear differential equation with constant coefficient. Each derivative coefficients are constant. So therefore, I can move this problem in the normal type category. So therefore, first I am going to find out the complementary function as usual. For that, I am writing the auxiliary equation m square. As like in the previous method, I need to replace the derivative place into m. So m square plus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. So after finding the root of this particular equation, I will get m is equal to minus 1 comma 1. Here the roots are repeated. For this kind of roots, I need to develop the complementary function as like az plus b into e power minus z. Otherwise, we may go for c1 into z plus c2 into e power minus z, like that also. In some of the problem, we may take c1, c2 also in place of ab. Here I am using zy, the derivative with respect to z. That's why I am using instead of x, z in this particular problem. So after that, we move on to the particular integral. P dot I is equal to 1 by function of d into RHS term. This looks like the fifth type category, exponential multiple with trigonometric. In this particular type, we must want to take a replacement in place of d dash into d dash minus 2, because here a is equal to minus 2. So therefore, d dash by d dash minus 2, as like in the previous methods only, we are following this particular problem. So after replacing, I am opening this d dash minus 2 the whole square by using a minus b the whole square formula. I am taking multiplication of 2 into d dash minus 2. The simplification gives the value d dash squared minus 2 times of d dash plus 1. So we are having the remaining thing in our left hand side is sin z alone. For the trigonometric cases, we are having replacement only for the derivative square terms. So here I need to replace d dash square by minus 1 square, because z coefficient is 1. So after replacing d dash square by minus 1 square value is minus 1. So this become minus 1 and plus 1 getting cancelled, the denominator alone minus 2d dash, that minus will go at the front. So there is no addition and subtraction value with the denominator term. So therefore, I am having only 2d dash. So therefore, no need to make this d dash into d dash square. Direct away, I am going to take the integration of sin z. 1 by d dash of sin z, integration of sin z become minus cos z. So minus minus getting cancelled. And finally, I am getting p dot I is equal to e power minus 2z cos z by 2. So the complete solution is combination of complementary function plus particular integral. After adding together, I will get like this. But we are given the problem in terms of x. We may give the answer also in terms of x alone. We are only introducing z in this particular problem. We need to eliminate that also in the final answer. So we are taken the substitution for z equal to log x, and finally in final answer also we must want to replace z equal to log x. In all the place z, I am going to replace log x. Here I am simply writing e power minus 1 into log x into e power log x power minus 1. Here also e power log x power minus 2, because e power a log b is equal to e power log a power b. That we can able to do. So therefore e power log x power minus 1. E power log value is 1. The left thing is x power minus 1. Here also e power log x power minus 2. E power log value become 1. I'll get it x power minus 2. X power minus 1 is 1 by x. X power minus 2 is 1 by x square. So which is our final solution. Let us move on to the next problem. X square d square minus x into d plus 1 into y is equal to log x by x the whole square. Here I need to take the replacements over. X is equal to e power z, and then it will give z equal to log x, as well as x into d replacement is d dash, x square into d square replacement is d dash into d dash minus 1. These things are we are going to replace in the given problem. After replacing, I will get in this form. In the place of log x, I will replace ez, and x place e power z, the whole square. Z square by e power 2z, it can be written as e power minus 2z into z square. Here the simplification value gives d dash square minus 2 d dash plus 1 into y is equal to right hand side e power minus 2z into z square. In this particular operator form, the auxiliary equation is, we can develop the auxiliary equation from this operator form is m square minus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. Here the roots are 1 comma 1. So the roots are repeated. So therefore in this such cases, complementary function as first constant into z plus second constant into e power mx. M is 1. Z. In place of x, I need to use z because the derivative with respect to z here. So let us move on to the p dot I, 1 by f of d into RHS value. So here also exponential with algebraic term. So I need to replace d dash by d dash minus 2. Here a is equal to minus 2. So simplification of, you just open this d dash minus 2 the whole square by using a minus b the whole square formula. So take the multiplication of d dash minus 2 with this minus 2. So it will give the simplified form as d dash square minus 6 d dash plus 1. We have only z square in the right hand side. While we are operating the algebraic term, we need to make any one of the denominator value place into 1. It will be easy to make constant value into 1. So therefore, I am taking this constant into out. So after taking 9 into outside, I will get in the place is 1. The remaining terms by 9. So I am moving the new denominator into numerator. Then only I can able to apply the binomial theorem formula. So it looks like 1 plus x power minus 1. 1 plus x power minus 1 formula is here. 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube, alternative sign will come in this particular formula. In place of x, I am having d dash square minus 6 d dash by 9. I am developing this particular term by using this particular formula. In this particular second term, d dash power minus 4, 0, because d dash power minus 4 of z square is 0. D dash power 3 z square is also 0. I am getting only up to the second order derivative. So therefore 36 d dash square by 81 into z square. Next step, I am taking this z square into inside. In this particular step, I am moving minus inside. So after taking off, d dash square of z square is 2. D dash of z square is 2z. So likewise, I will replacing all those values here. The simplificative value gives 3z square plus 4z minus 2. The complete solution is complementary function plus particular integral. And finally, I need to replace z equal to log x. This is our final solution. Thank you.